All right, Scooter Pack fans, here it is. 2026 Topps, Series 1. We picked up two 36 card packs. We're going to open one up today. We picked up two of these boxes. They actually just arrived about a half an hour ago. 72 cards. And then we picked up one of the hanger boxes that says it's got 59 cards in it. We're going to open this today in its own video, and then we're going to open this in its own video. We'll save the other stuff for later. So let's put this back here. Yeah, came from Best Buy, and I bet you that sticker meant they pulled it off their shelf at the store and sent it out. But I doubt that's going to affect the cards. All right, y'all, let's get into this 36 card pack. I've watched some videos that a lot of people have done. Of course, there's a ton out there. Cards are looking great. Cards are looking really good. Let's see what Scooter Packs gets for 2026 Topps. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. We've got Daniel Schneemann. Let's take a look at these cards here. Love the fabric. It almost looks like there's actually fabric there. Oh, it goes from fabric to just plain white. And yes, this is the 75th anniversary. That reminds me of like Superman. But 75th anniversary. Here's the backs. I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. And a little hint, the throwbacks. Remember 2025? The throwbacks were 1990 Topps. These throwbacks are 1991 Topps. We'll see if we get any of those. Got Carl Raleigh. And actually, it looks like we've got a bit of a corner issue on the Daniel Schneemann card. We're going to go with it, though. Spencer Horwitz. Yeah, these are beautiful cards. Rookie card of Troy Melton. Matthew Boyd. Rookie card of Wickelman Gonzalez. Alrighty. Ramon Urias. Edmundo Sosa. Rookie card of Jack Perkins. Royals Muscle. Sluggers Power KC lineup. That's a cool card. Does it tell us who it is? Jack Caglianone, and maybe that's Bobby Witt Jr. All right, we've got Jurickson Profar, Ben Rice, rookie card of Colby Thomas, Nico Horner, Joey Bart, rookie card of Dylan Smith, Key Brian Hayes, Chicago Cubs National League, like a team card there, very cool. National League Central Division, home is Wrigley Field. Got Julio Rodriguez, Taylor Trammell, Kevin Gossman. That's a cool Toronto uniform with the Toronto skyline on the background. That's very cool. Rookie card of Mason Barnett. Almost like a classic Oakland A's uniform there. Nice. Mike Trout. Very cool. We'll take that. Always a big fan of Mike Trout. Sawyer Gibson Long. That's an interesting uniform for Detroit there. Oh, they're going with the three players on one card. American League leaders. Got Aaron Judge, Raleigh, and Pasquantino. Very cool on that. Cal Raleigh, Aaron Judge, and Vinny Pasquantino. I will take it. Got Carlos Narvaez, Matt Stram. Rookie card of Otto Kemp. Lenyn Sosa. Steven Kolek. Rookie card of Lazaro Estrada. Gavin Williams. We got a card flipped around. Looks like we've got a silver bordered type card of Elias Diaz. That's very cool. I think we got his base card as well, but it's like a, I don't know what they call it, but like a mirror silver bordered card. Very cool on that. There's our 1991 Topps throwback. Loving it. Topps All-Star Rookie Gold Cup card of Jacob Wilson. That's awesome. Loving how they brought the 1991 Topps out. That is just absolutely, look at that. Even got the backs correct. Loving it. That is awesome. What a great card. Stars of the MLB of Fernando Tatis Jr. We'll throw that up there. Very cool on that. Got the Motorola symbol there. Very cool. And then Titans of the Game, Fernando Tatis Jr. Very cool. All right, so not bad for a first pack of 2026 Topps Series 1. Not bad at all. We picked up Mike Trout. Big fan of him. Awesome card to have there, number 350. There's our 1991 Topps 75th anniversary throwback card. It's a Gold Cup card of Jacob Wilson. Very cool. I always look up these cards on Beckett, although they may not be listed yet in terms of value. Just curious to see. Picked up Fernando Tatis Jr. We've got Titans of the Game. Awesome card. And Stars of the MLB. We're familiar with this set. Awesome card. All right, folks, there you have it. 2026 Topps Series 1 36 card poly pack. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe and stay tuned. We're fixing to do this box coming up next.